Okay, so when you are multiplying monomials by polynomials, remember to multiply the numbers first when you're showing your work. So we are going to use the distributive property to get the answer to this polynomial. Yes, I was writing down for you to remember to multiply the coefficients, which is another way of saying the numbers that are in front of or to the left of the variables. Remember, the coefficients go first. So for example, the first term is negative 4w, parentheses, which is times, w squared minus 9. The negative 4 is your coefficient because it's in front of a variable. So I'm drawing the arrows to multiply them in order. So it'll be negative 4w times w squared, which is negative 4 times w squared. And you know that when you're multiplying variables with the same base, you just add the exponents. And then I'm going to draw another arrow soon. You're right, negative 4w times negative 9. So it's going to be subtracting negative 4w and then times the 9. The subtraction sign is another way of saying negative. So now we can just simplify. It's going to be negative 4w to the third power because you have 1w plus 2 more w's. Just waiting for that to, right, circle. There's a 1 there, which is invisible. So negative 4w to the third power, subtracting the negative 4 times 9, which is going to be negative 36, and just bring over the w. You can also write it another way. Do it the way that's easier for you. And then we're going to simplify some more. I needed more room. Draw a little arrow there. Hopefully you're doing it up and down vertically to show your work. Negative 4w to the third power, subtracting a negative. So subtracting negative 36w. And always remember, when you subtract a negative, it's the same thing as adding. So you're going to change negative and make it a plus. And the reason why we do that, because it's just like saying negative 1 times negative 36, which is positive 36. So our final answer is going to be negative 4w to the third power plus 36w. And that is our final product. I love Khan Academy because you can actually insert the answers inside the boxes and it'll check for you, which I'm going to do right now. Going to click inside the box to make sure that I did it right. So just click in the box there. And I'm going to type negative 4w. You need that exponent to the third power. Then you just hit tab. And it's plus 36w. Then you click the blue box on the bottom right to check it. And look, it is correct. Great work. There are other examples for you to try. And good luck on the FSA Algebra 1 EOC. So it says at the bottom, do 4 more problems. Be sure to do that for additional practice. And of course, I'm going to write down your turn. It's your turn to practice. All right, good luck to you all. And I'll see you in the next video.